Okay, but am I the only one who is still obsessed with these fluffy, fresh, natural looking eyebrows? Today we're gonna try to get them using the Kosas brow products. First, I'm gonna draw on some brows using the Kosas Brow Pop Dual Action Defining Pencil. First, I'm combing them a little bit, and now when they're looking fancy, I'm gonna draw on some hairs. You can really get fine lines with this pencil. I love that because it makes the brow look a lot more natural. I like to make my brows look a little bit more longer and a little bit more bushy. What also makes your brows look fuller is the Kosas Air Brow. It is clinically proven to give your brows a 94% increase in volume immediately after you apply it. If you want a less dramatic brow, you can also go in with the clear Kosas Brow Gel, and it leaves kind of a laminated effect on your brows. The last step is cleaning up your brow, and I'm gonna do that with the Kosas Concealer. Just carve it from underneath, and this is the finished brow look. I added color to them, but they still look fresh and natural. I love these products.